Your Hinsdale, Illinois home's roof has seen better days, but you're unsure of the advantages of investing in a new roofing system. After all, we're not talking about pennies here. Well, the return from replacing your old roof shows up in several ways: curb appeal, efficiency, and energy use. Increased curb appeal is the most obvious benefit of a new roof. Style and color options are plentiful, so you can dramatically change the look of your home with the right choice. Not to mention your asking price when you go to sell. Efficiency comes in when your entire roof system is designed and installed by modern professionals, like Apex Exteriors. Not only will you get a roofing system that will last decades, but we'll make sure it can breathe properly too. The vents you see on many local roofs and gables exist to protect your home from mold, mildew, and a roof that fails in just a few years. You see, your attic space is a key part of your roofing system. It allows heat to escape, air to flow, and your roof to thrive. But not all attics are equal. Some require extra help, and our roofing pros always calculate exactly what your attic needs for proper ventilation. But it isn't all about keeping things dry. Allowing hot air to vacate the attic lets your AC system run less often. And if you install new insulation and use light-colored shingles, you'll get even better results. In the winter, you'll have fewer, if any, issues with ice buildup, and avoid the nightmare of ice dams tearing off your gutters. So if you don't like the look of the roof on your Hinsdale, Illinois home, give us a call at Apex Exteriors and start your journey to honest answers and true, long-lasting solutions.